everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you back to my channel Culinary Stories. Today we are bringing one of the most healthiest breakfast or a snack recipe known as oatmeal banana cookie. It's super easy, super delicious and a super healthy recipe only made of 3 ingredients. Let me just show you and give you a look. Here we are. Super crunchy and healthy. Let's see how to go about it.
With the help of a fork, we mash the bananas in our bowl until they are broken down. Once the bananas are mashed properly, please add in oats and gently stir until all of the oats and bananas are mixed together and they start looking like a thick cookie batter. Once we see the banana is mixed well with the oats, we are ready to add the chocolate chips. We sprinkle them into the dough and stir until they are just mixed nicely. This is completely optional. I like the flavor of cinnamon. You can use vanilla as a flavor or any other flavor of your choice. Our cookie batter is ready. I've started to make my cookies and started layering them on my baking tray. Please note that after baking, there will be no increase in size. So whatever size cookie you want, please make it that size only before you put them for baking. I have used a baking paper on my baking tray. You can choose to grease it if you do not have a baking paper, as we don't need any greasing on the baking paper. I've preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and now after 5 minutes of preheating, I put my cookies inside for about 12 to 14 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and wait for them to get baked. What we see here that none of the cookie was stuck on the paper. All the cookies are as dry as they can be. This will be the texture of the cookie as we break it. It's extremely hot. We can just let it cool and we can put them in an airtight container for about 7 days. Also, if you like your cookie to be on the sweeter side, we can use 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness or maple syrup. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like my recipe. If you do, please give it a try. It's delicious. And if you like the video and the channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.